Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.